In this video, I will guide you through how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Most websites need cookies to work and serve you better. To enable cookies on Chrome, go to the top right and click on three dots and then go down to Settings. On the left, click on Privacy and Security. Go down to the Privacy and Security settings and click on Site Settings. Scroll down to Content section, click on Third-Party Cookies option. In here, under Default Behavior, make sure Allow Third-Party Cookies option is selected. You can also select Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito mode. This will also allow cookies in normal mode. But if you select Block Third-Party Cookies option, it will disable all third-party cookies. So make sure this option is not selected. So that's how you enable cookies in Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and I will see you in the next one.